Working of Van de Graaff generator. I will explain working. Now you can see the diagram of Van de Graaff generator. Just we learn construction. So you know all the part of this diagram. Now here you remember one thing here. So when electric motor connected to this pulley P1 is switched on, the belt start moving on this pulley P1 and P2 due to this electric motor. Then second thing, we switch on this DC source. We switch on this DC source. Then this spraying brush A starts spraying positive charges on the belt because this A is connected to spraying brush is connected to positive terminal. So it starts spraying positive charges on belt and belt is in motion. So these positive charges carried in upward direction. Now this upper, near this upper pulley P2, one more collecting brush is there. This C, this collecting brush C collect these positive charges and these charges transfer to outer portion of dome shaped conductor. These charges are transferred to outer portion of dome shaped conductor. As charge on this dome shaped conductor increases, the potential also increases. So due to this accumulation of charges on outer portion of this dome shaped conductor, its potential increases. Because the principle of Van de Graaff generator is charge increases, potential also increases. This dome shaped conductor is connected to electrode of discharge tube. You can see here electrode I. And this electrode get a positive potential or positive charge, positive potential because of this dome shaped conductor, which is positively charged. Now, when we introduce a positive charge, when we introduce positive charge in a discharge tube, this positive charge is repelled by this electrode of discharge tube. Positive charge is repelled by the positive electrode. Positive repulsion is there. And because of that repulsion, so here this positive charge get accelerated. So it gets some velocity. The use of Van de Graaff generator is it is used to accelerate charge particle. So I told you how we accelerate. This positively charged particle is get repelled due to this positive electrode. Generally, this Van de Graaff generator is used to accelerate positively charged particle. We cannot accelerate electron by using Van de Graaff generator. This is working of Van de Graaff generator. I hope you understood whatever I explained. Now this working notes are given here. You can go through later on. Now after that, uses of Van de Graaff generator. Uses of Van de Graaff generator. So you can see here, to carry put nuclear disintegration. First use nuclear disintegration of different element. We can use Van de Graaff generator. So how we are using it, we are not going in that much detail, but you remember here, to carry out this nuclear disintegration of different metal, we can use Van de Graaff generator. To produce radioactive isotope, This Van de Graaff generator is used to study nuclear structure of different substances. We can use Van de Graaff generator to study different type of nuclear reactions, to study different type of nuclear reaction by bombarding some uh, element on that. So this Van de Graaff generator is used to study different type of nuclear reaction. It is used to produce electron beam used in sterilization of medical product and packet food atoms. It is used to produce electron beam, which is used for sterilization as well as preservation of the food. So these are the uses of Van de Graaff generator.